Writing. This section is composed of two parts. The first part is filling out a form with some information. It might be for a hotel reservation, an application, or a subscription. In the second part, you are required to write a short essay, generally at least 40 words, with simple phrases on everyday topics. It might be a postcard, an email, a message, etc. This part will take approximately 30 minutes. But in this video, you will have a few seconds to read the questions. So, do not hesitate to hit the pause button to have more time.
L'épreuve est terminée. Veuillez poser vos stylos.
Writing. For the writing part, here are some examples that can inspire you. For the form, we use the name John Doe as an example. And for the reply to the invitation, as an example, we wrote that you would be glad to join, your son Nicola would come with you, and you would bring a salad as well as a gift for Marie. You will have only 15 seconds per exercise to read the answers. But don't forget, you can hit the pause button anytime you like.